Okay, y'all, these are all of my oxtails. I'm gonna clean it with lemon. So this is what y'all finna see. Just put the lemon on it. And you rub them. Make sure the seeds don't be in the lemon because the taste will travel. You don't want that. Okay, and I'm gonna take my other half of the lemon and we're gonna put that on there too. Okay. Alright. We're gonna do that. Water. Alright, now we're going in with the season. Season on. Season it. Okay. Then we have garlic powder. Put garlic powder. Thyme leaves, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oregano leaves, just a little bit. Just a little, you know. Then we have parsley. Then we're gonna go in with the W sauce. You already know. Just go in with it, go in. Then I'm gonna add ketchup. And then I gotta come in with the veggies. Okay, you guys, that's my vegetables. We have the bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes, fresh, all fresh. And then we're gonna come down to the meat. Oh, look at them oxtails. So now we're gonna go in with some soy sauce. And let's see. We're gonna go in with soy sauce. We're gonna go in with some mustard. Mustard. Absolutely. And guess what? Ketchup. Right? Ketchup. Come on, ketchup. Alright. So now we're finna bring all this up in here. Up in here. Y'all excuse me if I go into my little singing phase. I do music as well. Videos already on YouTube with songs. But yeah, we're gonna put all that in there. And then we're gonna mix it up. And guess what we're gonna do after? Gonna let all that get in there. Watch this. So after all that is seasoned and everything with the tomatoes, we're gonna let it marinate. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna let mine marinate like 3 hours. I want all the seasoning, all the juices. I want all that. Be back. Okay, y'all, I have let my stuff marinated for a good, I want to say 3 hours. So what I'm finna do now is brown the oxtail, not cook, brown. They're gonna brown. So I'm gonna put all of them in here. Let them brown. No, don't put your vegetables in, man. I'm trying to do everything. I'm trying to hold the phone and just do everything. So put them all in there. These are oxtails, man. And it smells so good. Y'all know how y'all smell the seasoning on the food, and it smells so good. So we're gonna let that cook. All right, y'all, we're finna see something. We're finna see what this is doing. Exactly. We're gonna, not really. We're gonna let it cook a little bit more. You know, just stay brown. Okay, y'all, we're gonna flip it now.
I love you.
I love you. And then we're gonna flip it. Hold on, man. Watch out. Let me do the food real quick. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then. Alright. I'm gonna flip it one more time because it's not as brown as I want. I'm gonna just let it cook for a minute. Alright, yeah, look at that brown goodness. We still in the process of browning. These the finished results of the browning. So now it's time to add the veggies. The vegetables now. So we're gonna pour the veggies in. Pour it over the oxtail. What we're gonna do is let the veggies cook. We're gonna put a top over it.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, I also added jalapeno peppers to it. That's just to give it a little boost in the flavor. So here we have water, soy sauce, and flour to make the gravy. And we're gonna let this boil for 3 hours. So this is what I'm doing now. This is gonna make the gravy sauce. So, be back in 3 hours. Okay, y'all, they cooking. Yes, they look good, but I decided to put these in the oven. My stove just cooked too fast, and I've been noticing this about this stove. So yeah, I'm finna put them in the pan. Okay, here are the results of me putting in the pan to put in the oven. I'll be back. So I'm gonna let y'all check out the menu. We have leftover mac and cheese. We have mixed vegetables and rice. So I just took these bad boys out the oven. I added potatoes too. This is what y'all see. Okay, y'all, they got my plate. Y'all, look at that plate. Play with me. Okay, y'all, I know y'all can't see the food, but I'm doing the best I can. So it's the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. So, mac and cheese. 10. Hold up my oxtail for y'all. What is that doing? These are the finished results of my oxtail. I put my foot. Once I put my foot. Then I had a rice, y'all. Rice. Yes, I am, man. Also, you know I'm extra. I'm extra. Anybody know me? Being extra. Potato I cooked with the oxtails. Yeah. It's the truth. You want to taste it, Alan?
No.
Why?
I'm hungry.
You not hungry?
No.
Okay, I'll give you that. Yeah. Shit. I'm dropping stuff, but so good. And last but not least, y'all.
What is that?
Mixed vegetables is broccoli. When I tell y'all, my broccoli, mixed vegetables is a 10.
It's so good.
Stay tuned for my journey, my growth, and everything in this food business, y'all. I wouldn't lie. I wouldn't lie. I would not lie to y'all. Now I could say the oxtail remind me of a roast. It's better than roast. Way better. I don't never finish my plate because I'm on a weight loss journey. So it's probably gonna be all I'm gonna eat because I'm trying to manage my weight. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Stay tuned for my journey. Stay tuned for my growth. This is not the last you will see or hear. This is my 3rd food video. I do have more stuff to release, but I'm gonna let you see it as you watch me. Follow me. I'm very entertaining, but you will see that yourself. So stay tuned. You kissing me, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay tuned. I am Taisha Ford.